Hello, everyone, and welcome to the wonderful world of Japanese cooking. Today, we'll make easy sushi rolls in your own kitchen. For our sushi, you'll need short-grain sushi rice, nori seaweed sheets, and fillings such as cucumber, avocado, salmon. Basic tools are key: sharp chef's knife for precise cuts, sturdy cutting board, bamboo rolling mat for perfect sushi rolls. First, master the rice. Cook sushi rice until it's perfectly tender and sticky. Season with rice vinegar, sugar, salt, cool. Next, spread thin layer of rice over nori sheet. Add fillings in line. Carefully roll using bamboo mat, gentle pressure. Slice roll into bite-sized pieces. Arrange beautifully on plate. Serve with soy sauce and pickled ginger. Practice makes perfect. Experiment. Japanese cooking is a journey of flavor and technique. Try this simple sushi recipe at home and discover joy of creating delicious Japanese dishes. Happy cooking!